Bitcoin, the decentralized digital currency that has transformed the way we think about money. From a niche asset to a global financial powerhouse, it has captured the attention of investors, institutions, and governments alike. But today, we're talking about a major update that could have significant consequences for Bitcoin's future. Whether you're an investor, a crypto enthusiast, or just someone who's curious, this news is big. So, let's dive into the latest development shaking up the Bitcoin market. Over the years, Bitcoin has evolved from an obscure idea into a legitimate asset class, influencing global markets in ways no one could have predicted. With a market cap of over $1 trillion at its peak and adoption by companies like Tesla, MicroStrategy, and even major payment processors like PayPal, Bitcoin is no longer just a digital currency, it's a part of the broader financial system. Bitcoin's decentralized nature, its limited supply of 21 million coins, and its potential as a hedge against inflation have made it a favorite for both individual and institutional investors. But despite its rise, Bitcoin has always been vulnerable to market volatility, regulatory changes, and global economic shifts. And now, here's the major update. Bitcoin has just seen a game-changing development that could radically shift its market dynamics. So, what exactly is happening? The U.S. The Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has just approved the first-ever Bitcoin spot ETF, opening the floodgates for institutional investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin without actually holding the asset themselves. This is huge because it legitimizes Bitcoin in the eyes of traditional finance, and we could see a significant influx of capital entering the market. Now, let's break down what this really means for Bitcoin's price and the market overall. Firstly, we're already seeing a surge in Bitcoin's price. Just hours after the announcement, Bitcoin jumped by 146.1%, and experts are predicting that this trend could continue as more institutions begin buying into the Bitcoin ETF. This approval is seen as a major validation, not only for Bitcoin, but for the entire cryptocurrency space. Beyond price, this update could spark even bigger institutional interest, leading to new partnerships, innovations, and use cases for Bitcoin. We might start seeing more corporate treasuries adding Bitcoin to their balance sheets or financial institutions offering new Bitcoin-related services. But don't just take my word for it. Let's look at what some industry experts are saying about this. This approval marks a turning point for Bitcoin. It's a clear signal that Bitcoin is here to stay as a mainstream financial asset, and we're likely to see continued institutional adoption in the years ahead. So, what does this mean for you, whether you're a seasoned investor or someone just looking to get into Bitcoin? Well, for investors, this news could be an opportunity to get into Bitcoin at a more stable, regulated level. The Bitcoin ETF makes it easier for people to invest without dealing with exchanges or wallets directly, which could attract a whole new wave of investors. However, remember, Bitcoin's price can still be volatile, and it's important to do your own research before making any moves. What do you think about this latest update? Is this the beginning of a new era for Bitcoin, or just a temporary spike? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our next Bitcoin analysis. We're here to keep you updated on all things crypto. Thanks for watching, and remember, keep an eye on the market, because when it comes to Bitcoin, things can change in the blink of an eye.